Hello friends, this is Umesh. Welcome to my channel Education for All. In the previous classes we have studied about different types of plants and different parts of the plants, and today we'll study about roots. What is roots and where it is present and what type of roots and what is the function of roots. We'll discuss about all this. Right? So roots is the underground part of the plants, and it is generally on the soil, and it helps generally the plants to absorptions of water and minerals, and helps the plants from mechanical support, right? So generally there are based on different characteristics, different functions. Roots are generally three types, right? One is taproot, right? Another one is lateral root, and another one is fibrous root, right? First we'll discuss what is tap root, right? There are certain plants, there is one root is the main root. I'm going to show you a plant. You can see this plant, it is the tap root, right? It is main root. I'm going to draw the diagrams, you can understand better, right? It is the plant, roots are coming from here, right? It is tap root, right? It is the main root and it is known as tap root. This is tap root, right? It is known as main root, and grows vertically downward. As it grows straight down, it can penetrate deep into the soil, right, and obtain more nutrients and minerals, right? For example, which plant it is present generally in carrot and radish, right? Carrot, radish, turnip mustard turnip, right? It grows deep into the soil, right? This root, and obtain more nutrients and minerals from the soil. And from the tap roots there is many branch roots, we'll discuss later, that is lateral roots. What is lateral roots? These are the lateral roots, right? These are smaller roots, comes from tap root and provide anchorage to the soil and participate in water and nutrient uptake and transport. These are small branch of roots from main root, right? These are the small branch of roots from the main roots, and it provides anchorage, right, to the soil and participate in water and nutrients uptake. It water and nutrients uptake it helps, right? Which root? It is lateral roots, right? Lateral roots helps water and minerals uptake from the soil, right? Then another one is fibrous roots. You can see the lateral roots in the plants. These are lateral roots. It comes from the main roots, right? These are, I'm showing to another plant here. It is main root, and these are the lateral roots. The roots come from the tap root, right? These are the lateral roots. Then comes to fibrous root. Fibrous root is like this. There is no tap root, right? This type of root is seen in grass, right? It is grass plant. You can see here. It is fibrous root. Many roots. Main. Here is no main root. It is fibrous, right? Fibrous root means it is thin, moderately branching, right? Roots from the stem. All roots are smaller in size. If you see wheat, maize, right? Grass, banana, and these are hairy. These are hairy roots, and their capacity is mostly ingestion of plants, supplements, and water from soil. It helps the plants to ingestion of water and minerals supplements from the soil, right? This is three types of roots: tap root, lateral root, and a fibrous root, right? Then there is another non-tissue roots. The roots that form from any part of the plant, right, is called adventitious roots. You must have seen different plants. If you put if you cut the stem of the plant and put into the soil, the root will come and it will becomes a new plant. In marigold plant, marigold, tulip, right, China rose, right, roots come from the stems directly. If you cut the stems of the plants and put it into the soil, then it becomes another tree, another plant, right? So these are adventitious roots. Also, bryophyllum leaves. You can see here, roots is coming from here. You see different roots, and if I put these leaves on the soil, then it becomes another bryophyllum plant. You can see here, here is roots, right? Here is roots and it is going to be become a new plant, right? These are adventitious roots. What is the function of the roots? Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. We eat some of these roots like a carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip, right? We eat also this type of roots, right? These are the different type of roots and function of the roots, right? So let us summarize what we have discussed. Today we have discussed three types of roots based on different function and characteristics. Taproot, lateral root, and fibrous root. Taproot is the main root, and goes deep into the soil underground, and it helps to nutrients and gives mechanical strength, mechanical support to the plant, right? Then another one is lateral root. Lateral root is comes from the tap root, and its main function is uptake of water and minerals, and it gives the anchorage to the soil, that is lateral roots. And fibrous root means there is many roots comes it is smaller in size, and many roots comes from the stem of the plants directly. As I showed you the grass plants in banana and in wheat, maize, and in bamboo, these are hairy roots, and their capacity is mostly ingestion of plant supplements and water from the soil. And adventitious roots is that roots, any non-tissue part of the plant is developed and it becomes another plant. That is, if you cut the stem of some plants, that is marigold, tulip, China rose, it becomes a new plant. And in bryophyllum, if you put the leaf on the soil, it becomes again a new plant. These are all about the roots, types of roots and function of the roots. Thank you.